Hello everyone! It's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for another bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look at Latina. Okay? This is the latest movie offering ng Viva Max BMX. So if you like this review, paki-like na lang po ang video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And sa nagsulat nito, okay, King Avalos, I don't know what you're smoking, but I like it. Okay, so Latina is a movie, mystical movie, diwata movie. Yung mga yung mga katulad ng Sirena, ayun. So, makikilala natin dito si Katarina, okay? Si Katarina, she is played by Shalane, ano yung pangalan niya? Shalane De Vera. So, medyo bago siya. And I can feel the noobish way. I never felt so disconnected to a VMX movie evermore. Okay? So, parang ang litaw ng Latina is Encanta itong si Katarina being played by Shalane De Vera. Tapos nangupahan siya dito kina Chester Grecia at Tina Red at Mac Morales. Also, akala ko ba ang last bold ni Athena Red ay pansamantala? So, bakit nandito siya kagad? Hindi ko alam. Like, it doesn't make any sense na Athena Red comes out of retirement from bold to this movie not making any sense. Anyway, ang pattern ng movie na ito is ganito. Okay? Katarina seduces the three of the men, the three board mates. Una si Mac Morales, pangalawa si Chester Grecia, pangatlo si Athena Red. And then she went missing for some reason. Then parang may weird kasi iba yung kada bago magkwento ng backstory itong si Katarina, iba-iba yung kwento niya. So kwento niya ata kay Mark na pag-alagala siya. Kwento ata niya kay Athena na wala siyang magulang or something at taga-kumbento siya. Ayun. As kay Chester Grecia is inaabuso siya ng kapatid niya. I think. So none of the story makes sense and these three just parang hinayaan lang. And then nawala si Katarina, nakita nila sa sulugan, tapos umulan, tapos ewan ko. Tapos namatay yung dalawa, tapos inispire ni Katarina yung babae, tapos naghanap na siya kagad ng panibagong maupahan para mabiktima. Yun, di ko alam. Di ko alam anong yun yung kwento. Yun yung naunawaan ko. God, make me understand this movie. This is the first movie na di ko naintindihan yung kwento ever since Stugged. And that, my friend, is a curse. Okay? It's the first movie since Stugged. Okay? I don't know how to prolong this review any longer. So, sige. Yan. Tier list na tayo. Di ko alam. Di ko alam ano nangyari. It's not making me... What does that even make me feel? Diba? Di ko ba nalagay yung ano? Iba? Teka. 43 images. Spice. Di ko ba nalagay yung iba? Kaya lang ha, ayusin natin tier list. Hanggang ano? Hanggang... Uh, Lunok, Siping, Helena, Open. So, yan, 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 okay. And then, hindi, alam ko na. Hindi kasi na-save. Kailangan ko mag-login. Wait lang. Login tayo. Nalagout ako pala, kaya di ko na ma-save. Inayos ko to last time eh. Well, at least we got something to do while I'm trying to pad out the yung while trying to pad out. Diba? At least I got something to do. Yan na natin. Okay. Para di ko maano. Ayun. Ayun. Okay. Edit. And, ano na ba? Game na? Okay. Game. Uh-huh. And then, yan. Is natin to. Vision images. To. Hanggang dito. Okay. Tapos, ito. Ay. Teka lang. Alisin natin yung triple threat. Alisin natin yung AI. Yan hanggang the cheating white. Okay. Submit. Aha. Latina. Mm, 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 submit. Nalagay ba yung dati? Ayun, si Sugar Mommy nandyan. Okay. So, Latina, don't even try. I'm not gonna evaluate that the cheating white. Ito na ko na eh. Yan. Helena is next. Yan, siguro yan sa pan. Yan. Okay. Yeah, I just put it. Don't even try. Don't even try to watch that. Don't even try to watch that. To watch Latina. I don't know. Maybe it's bad for you. Okay. Well, at least I managed to kill 4 minutes of the tier list. So yeah, see you next week for Hibla. Hibla, di ba? Hibla ba yung next week? Let's see. Did I even include Hibla? Okay. Next week is the cheating wipe. Okay. The cheating wipe is... Where is the cheating wipe? Ito, the cheating wipe. Kasi ito, Hibla. Sibing. Okay. Okay, nalagay na pala ito eh. Yeah, pwede na yun. Tapos... Ano makulang natin? Shipping. Bagong tukso. Lunok. Booking. Okay, booking yung huli. Ito. Okay. So yeah, see you tomorrow for the cheating wipe, I guess. Bulag si Vince Relon so I think it's like yung isa, yung kay Felix Rocco. Naalala niyo si Felix Rocco? Those were the days, guys. Yung medyo ngayon medyo rootless depression tayo eh. Diba? Yan muna tayo root beer. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace.